Here comes the biggest local mobile crane. They got all the panels up but one, which was too heavy for the second biggest crane. This one was down the road lifting even bigger panels onto the Countdown Regent extension. Here come the counterweights and the jacking pads. Another truck with more counterweights. I have been to the supermarket and got some supplies this time, so we'll take them down. It's not exactly calm. Oh well, I've been buying on Trade Me. So this is a 2-camera reversing system. So I'd like to have one facing towards the front so I can see the mooring buoy when I come up to it, and one towards the back, so it didn't cost very much. So one camera can face forward, the other can face back, and well, it's worth a try. It's a very nice morning. Over there's the nook where we were for most of last weekend. Just looking up into the launching areas in Parua Bay. We still have an oil leak, so I'll get Grandad to bring a new oil filter. I'm presuming that the rim that it seals against has been damaged somehow. At least the oil absorbent pads have been doing their job. Replaced the filter, cleaned up the oil, topped up the oil. Hopefully we're good now. All sails up. We're getting up inside the sandbank to sail past our place. The new rig tune has the side stays a lot tighter. The mast hasn't fallen down yet, so that's always good. We're anchored at Limestone Island. You hear the noise of the airport on top of Onarahi. There's my happy crew, my sail puller-upper and the supervisor. So
yeah, do nothing.
Yes, but enjoy yourself, that's the important thing. So we're having a late lunch. We won't bother with the jib because we'll be running probably dead downwind once we get to the corner. heading back inside the sandbank. Cut the corner and then into Parua Bay. Stuart putting on the forward sail cover. It's always a bit of fiddle, which is quite good. I let him do it. I've put a rail in the virtually unused shower room so we can hang the wet weather gear there rather than having it dumped in the bottom. Might as well see if we've got a leak in the salt water washdown pump. So there's a breaker in here. And of course it's leaking. Oh well, another job for another day. Oh, I've just cleaned some of the green off places under the edge of the deck. The forecast was for it to start to rain, and indeed it is. Well, it's quite pleasant here behind all the clears. We had a nice sail, so that was good. Grandad got a chance to come out, a bit of help from Stuart. They're both gone now, so I'm on my own. Oh, Stuart forgot to bring ship's dog. Next time. I think we can say the rain has definitely set in. Sunday morning, the rain has finally stopped. Bit of blue sky appearing. It's supposed to keep having showers till about midday and then go southeast. Sorry, go southwest. We've got another shower coming through. Might as well watch boat building videos on YouTube. Oh, the wind's gone from northwest to southwest. It looks like we might still have the occasional shower, but not too much. Doesn't look like we've been losing any oil now. I'll head for slightly more shelter behind Motu Island. to be where we were before. Well, near enough. We're in about a metre of water here. Tide's coming in. Oh, it's time to head home. Doesn't look too windy.